Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's guide, I'll show you how to create a group room in Character AI, so you can chat with multiple AI characters at once. Let's get started. Step by step is first, open Character AI and open your web browser. Type www.character.ai in the URL bar and hit enter. Log into your Character AI account. Start creating a room. Just simply click the Create button on the left sidebar and click on Create a Room for the menu. Customize your room. Enter a room name. Click on the character selection box and choose AI characters you want to add. This is just an option. Add a room topic for better organization. Step 4 is to finalize and start chatting. Click Create to set up the room. Your room is now ready for interaction. Start chatting by typing into the message box. Enjoy and fun unique conversation with multiple AI characters. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching Vital Creations. See you into the next one.